Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and this week I'm going to show you this brand new Beauty Big Bang stamping kit that I received. It is their, it's a 17 piece, and I think it's their anniversary. I know they sent me an email like a month ago asking me if I would review their special anniversary stamping kit box, and I was like, sure, that'd be fine, that'd be great, thank you. And then I received like 5 plates and this really cool unicorn skin manicure kit, and it is just really cool. And then at the same time they asked me to pick a few things out, so I picked out a couple of plates and some eyeshadow. And so real quick, I'm going to show you the eyeshadow look I did. Hey everybody, the last time they contacted me and asked me to pick some things, I thought, okay, I'm going to try some eyeshadow because I've been wanting to try some, and perfect opportunity to get some free. I think it's only $2.99. I'll put the link below and I'll put the price probably across here for you. It is number 3. It is a neutral palette. I go pretty simple with makeup. My eyeliner, I only use eyeshadow. I just wet the brush a little bit and pick up the eyeshadow so that it doesn't flake all over the place, and just line my eye, and then one of the lighter base colors I just put over my entire eye, a matte. And then I take, you know, I'm aging, so shimmers and glitters don't really do for me anymore like they used to, and so I don't use a lot of that. I usually use mostly matte, and then a darker color in the crease, blend that all out, and then I take a little bit of the shimmer and put it on my finger and just kind of pat on the inside of my eye right there. And that's pretty much it for eye look, and then mascara. So I really think that this looks nice. It's not super pigmented, but I'm okay with that. I would rather build up and do, you know, a few swipes than have to blend for just a daily look. So this is my eyes today. I hope this is enough light. But I really do like this stuff. I thought it turned out really good. I've been using it every day. So, you know, really reasonable eyeshadow. And you do get 10% off if you use my code, and it is GL325. And okay, let's do some nails and look at the rest of the stuff I got from Beauty Big Bang. And here's the pamphlet that came with it. And it is really pretty. I mean, they've really got some artistic skills going on now with their packaging. They've just really stepped it up. And they have such cool stuff. They have tons of makeup, like I was telling you with the eyeshadow. I really want to try some highlighter and some other things. I have got a couple of the brushes I like. Glitter and, you know, sparkles and flakies. Of course, the polish, the stamping polish gel. I've tried the gel, the stamping polish, the regular polish. I don't think I've tried. Oh yeah, I have had a couple of those. I think I've given them away. And then all the tools, stampers. I have a couple of these plate holders I love. So I do want to get into a few more of the tools, start buying some tools. I haven't tried any of their water slides yet. And of course their plates and stamping polishes I absolutely love. Okay, these are the ones that I received with the nail or the mani kit. So I'll go ahead and show you those. I've used this one. This is probably my favorite one. I think this is so cute. Trying to keep that out of the glare. They also gave me another scraper. I do use this scraper to do my mani. I'm not real, it's too big for me. I don't like the big ones, and they're just a little, this one seems better, a little flimsier than I like. If it was smaller, I probably would be okay with that one. I also got, it also comes with this small holder. It holds 20 plates. It has 10 pages. It's really nice. I've got a couple, like I said, felt lined. It's got the unicorn skin on the outside and has their name. I really do like this. And then it comes with a Beauty Big Bang ice cube stamper. Now I know a lot of you are having issues with the ice cube stampers, or some of you at least. They don't need primed. I hate to tell you, it's not the stamper, it's you. Okay. That sounds mean, but I don't really mean it that way, but it's the truth. It's not the stamper issue. When you're picking up these stamps, and I'm going to show you again whenever I do the mani and swatch a little bit, you're pushing too hard. Okay, so your scraper is wrong. It's either too flimsy or it's too hard. More than likely, if you're using the stampers that come with these kits, that come with the stampers, they are too flimsy. Try one that's just a little stiffer. Next, your polish. If you're using regular polish, you're going to have more issues. Stamping polish just works better. If you are using a regular stamping or a regular polish, if it's a cream that's opaque in one coat, when you put it on your nail, it'll probably stamp, especially over like light colors. All right, so when you stamp, the weight of the stamper is all you need to roll it across and pick it up. Just the weight of the stamper. No more pressure, no more, you know, you can't do that. You're not going to pick it up. All right, so let's look at the plates. Here's the first one. So cool. I love that ship. I love everything about this plate. And they come in the coolest sleeves. I never keep them in the sleeves. I do keep the sleeves just in case, because I have plates for a while and I use them for a little while. If I don't get a whole lot of use in them, and I see somebody that needs it, or somebody says, oh, I really like that, I wish I had one, I wish I got one, I usually give them away. I give them to them, I send them out, or I put them in a giveaway. I actually give more away just daily than I do in giveaways. This one's really cute. I love the artwork that they have on these sleeves. I mean, this is just so cute. I mean, it's going to take me a long time to get all these. I will do some swatching, probably in a different video. This will be too long if I swatch them all. But I'll get my giant swatching stamper and do some. They're just so cute. Look at these. Not seen any like this before. Oh, some bunny rabbit ones. I love the bunny butt. I stick my butt in your face. Little ears. So cute. These are great for backgrounds. So, say over a black nail, some kind of darker gray or white even, and then pick up something else and reverse stamp and put it over the top of that. You can do 3. Really love this one too. The negative space, it's just so cool. Those are so cool. This one has some animal prints and a flower in the middle, and that's kind of what I was talking about. You can use the animal print as a background and then reverse stamp that flower and color it in. So cool. Pie. I wished I would have had this March 14th because I didn't have any pie plates to do Pie Day. Oh, another really cute, simple, just pattern. And I was thinking about putting this in a giveaway, and then it's like, well, I have so many butterfly plates, so I probably will. But then after I gave the last one away, it's like, oh, I wish I had that plate. I never even used it. Super cute. Nope. Isn't this cute? Once again, I'll probably put this in the giveaway. I've got tons of kitty cat plates that I don't really use. Oh, that one's really adorable. I mean, they just have such cool plates. And if you don't have a huge collection yet, you're trying to collect some, these are really well priced. Right here's the one that I did, the Manny, and you will see that. It was in my thumbnail. Really love this plate. Lots of things you can do. Right, here are some of the Beauty Big Bang polishes that I have, the stamping polishes. And I do really like all of them. They're, they stamp really well. I was pretty surprised. And this gold is a gorgeous. But probably my favorite is this blue. And it's kind of a metallic blue, and it is 001. Always remember to take the blue film off. Stamp a few images. I will use the scraper and give them a second try. I put this marble on Instagram, and it was just a short little video, so I'll insert the clip of it so you can see me do this one. And it was for Water Marble Practice Wednesday, and they give us prompts for the whole month, and then we join or we don't join, and it was pastel zigzags, so those are my pastel zigzags. I really love these. Like I said, just the weight of the stamper is all you need to make a perfect pickup. And do kind of a French tip. On the index finger and my pinky. Alright, so if anybody wants to pick up this anniversary kit, I'll put the link below. But I also have a code for you to get 10% off. And I don't know if they still do or not. They used to do, if like 6 people used my code, then they would sponsor a giveaway. I don't know if they still do that or not, but it's worth a try. If you're not already, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, keep watching. Follow me on Instagram, follow Beauty Big Bang, and if you use any other products and you do a mani and you post it on Instagram, be sure and share it with them, tag me, I want to see too. Bye. You bring that back here right now. Auggie. Here. Oh, Penny would never ignore me. Auggie, here. Bring me that. Come on. Auggie. You better bring that back. Oh. Go get that, Lucas. Go get that remote. Go get it from Auggie. Yeah, give me that remote. Auggie, drop it. Auggie, drop it. Drop it. You better drop it. Auggie. Lucas, you let him keep it. Oh, you're a terrible dog. That's a good boy. The ball. You can play with the ball. That's your ball.